If you like garage stuff, today it's your day. If you're like me and you like nice things and try to be affordable, today it's your lucky day. So let's do it. Bear with me because the echo it's gonna be more than actually it is normal because I have the garage doors closed so you can see the lights and everything, right? So let's start from the floor. As you guys know, I have Swiss tracks all over and I did a bunch of projects here. My wide body car, I polish, I clean, I wash everything on this floor and it still looks this clean. Of course I try to keep clean. My garage, just for a measure, it's a 19 by 22 by 19, so it's a standard 2-car garage. Of course I removed the light column. I had another light column right here and I have another one right there, which doesn't make sense for me to move that light column though, because that light column, it's $5 grand to remove. To gain what, 40 inches, not even 40 inches, 24 inches. So it's, for me, wasn't worth. So other than that, it's just a regular 2-car garage with no light column. You have the ability to park the car here. As you guys saw, I made a lot of projects here and so far so great. I can wash the car here, I can do anything here, I can polish, I can do mechanical stuff, I can do anything. Here, it's my wash setup. As you guys know, I have this power wash setup for about 3 months, I guess. That's what I would say I have for 3 months, and has been a game changer though. If you don't have a power wash in easy access for you to wash your car or even to do stuff around the house, I really recommend it. I think we accomplished this in a really good budget. It's not the top tier, but it's not the cheapest one. I did a cost breakdown, which I'm gonna leave the link right here for the video. You can watch. I was inspired by Obsessed Garage, but Obsessed Garage is too much money for me right now. I guess if you have the means, go for it. Active 2.0 as my main pressure washer, MTM hose with Cox reel, MTM gun. I bought this nozzle, 5.0 nozzle with this rubber protection, which is really nice if you are washing the car. Like if you hit the car, it doesn't scratch, it doesn't do anything, right? Here, my buckets, the only thing I did, I got the dollies for it, so you can. A lot of people ask me how the Swiss tracks do with like wheels and dollies. I think that answers your question. I still need to get one more bucket, so I have the wheel, which is that one, and the 2-method bucket, which I'll do here soon. Here's my foam cannon, MTM foam cannon and add-ons. This here has brake buster on it, and I need to figure out a way to store this, which Obsessed Garage has one, but that gives me an idea to do something else to store this, maybe right here. You know what I'm saying? That's the next project. This is still my stool. I need to get a Viper chair. This one's like super beat up. I got this from Harbor Freight for 20 bucks. So the Viper chair is coming soon. And here is the last upgrade, which is my shelves, right? Why I want a shelves here? It's because it's so much easier to grab it here and just wash the car. So everything I use, it's here. Here I have GSF soap. I'm trying this Mr. Paint, which I wash the car, but I still prefer GSF, but I bought this just to try. Dry aid, waterless wash. I normally use this, like if, for example, I washed the car yesterday, and this Sunday I have a show to go. So the car is clean, it's outside because I'm making the video, but then I normally will use this waterless wash, all-purpose clean for everything, interior clean and tire shine. That's my main thing when I'm washing the car. So I got those shelves from Amazon for 20 bucks. So I'll leave the link below if you want one. I think this is a good shop for you to do. But this is my washing setup right there, nice and tight on the corner. And okay, you guys gonna ask me about the winter, right? What I do during the winter. Here's my garage, and you see that valve right there, so I can shut it off. All the water, it's gone from that system. That's how I did the setup. I did all the plumbing myself, and I put that valve there so during the winter I can just drain. Although I'm probably gonna use this during the winter to take this out of my truck and my wife's car. That was also one of the things I want to put a pressure washer set up to wash the cars. On this side of the garage, not much going on. It's just my quick jacks. You guys know I love this thing. I have been using this thing like crazy every time I need it. Although my car is a really pain in the butt to get this underneath. I need another jack, which is on the other side of the garage right there. I'll show you right in a couple of minutes. Here's my blower though. I need to upgrade my blower too. I just used this blower now. It's fall season, so all the leaves are coming in the garage, so that's why I leave my blower here. I still can park my wife's car here so I have room. Here's my ear muffler, and this is my son's ear muffler. It's a monster truck, he loves it. Here on the corner, I leave this bucket here to put all my dirty towels, mints, and everything, right? And here are my boots to do landscape work, right? On this wall here, which is my main wall, and I know you guys gonna tell me like, yo, you said you don't want to put anything on your wall and you will start putting stuff. I changed my mind. I think my garage was too empty, especially my American flag, so that's why. But more stuff, if I find nice stuff, I'll put on the wall. That's the goal, and I love that the American flag, and I still need a sign. So if you able to do a custom sign for me, message me on Instagram or leave your comment below. We can talk. Yeah, here it's my Blackboard where I try to keep track of every single project like I have. Those are my three main projects, right? The garage, the truck, and the vet. The vet's completely done. This is probably my winter project. The truck is going on. If you're not watching the truck videos, the truck is like my main thing right now. And the garage, it's always, I keep here so I know exactly what I need to get done for the garage. And here is the latest addition. I bought this flag from a local guy, and man, I love it. I love it. As you can see here, my son was like, Daddy, let's put the Corvettes next to the flags. So his idea, I like it, looking nice and tight. And this flag, it's beautiful, it's wood, like super well made, and I love it. In this corner though, not much change. You guys know I have a 32-inch TV here with a Fire TV. Here's the Amazon TV on Works, and that's how it works, right? I can put you something so you guys can hear the sound, because up there I have a camera to keep the look on my car, and also speakers. Alright, this is my last video on the truck. So as you can see, I can turn on the music. You can see what everything I have to deal with, right? And yeah, we have more to come for sure. So you can see I can watch anything. The speakers here are great. When I'm washing the car, or either outside or here, I can just put some music on, and that works perfect. So on my detailing stuff, right? Here I have my polish, ceramic coating, clay bar and stuff. Here's my towels. Right, and this side, since I put the shelves there, on this side here I have my products that I'm trying, right? So I have the gallons one, this is dry, like brake buster, which I use a lot. So everything here is a trial. I try different products just to see what works for me or not. Some brushes and everything, right? This is my Dogsy collar, if you're asking for. So he's still under training. Yeah, here I try to be organized, but it's really hard when you work on your car. Like I need to get like foaming lace for the tools. You see like how messy this is. My son also comes here and makes a mess. I try to keep as organized as possible. Again, I'm not professional. I'm trying to make this better. It's still lacking a bunch of tools. So, but this works perfect. It's narrow. It's exactly what I need. Here I have some gloves and paper towel, which works great. My garbage can, and here, basically I have all my power tools underneath. Here's the quick jacks motor, right? I have a couple like, you know, battery jumper there. Here it's vinyl, like for my car. Also the compressor stuff, my helmet when I'm racing. And here's just spare parts, like, you know, like spare towels for whenever I'm doing something with really dirty stuff. I don't use my microfibers, I use those. And this is my extractor, and also some products here. So I still have room. Now with the shelves, I can do more stuff as far as organizing. That's what I'm doing. This corner I have my carbon-free jack, which I mainly use for the truck, but now I got myself use this for the Corvette too because it's so low. And here it's my compressor with a compressor hose, which I love it, easy to use. It's not that loud though, like the camera probably is gonna sound super loud, but it's not. Like from upstairs you cannot hear, but that's not loud at all. I know it sounds loud on the camera, but here it's not loud at all. It's still a compressor though, it's loud, but that does the job. I do everything I need with the compressor, like tires, clean the car, stuff around the house. I love it. This is a Kobo 155 PSI. Well, I think this is a 20 gallon. And here is my extension cord, which both are attached to this outlet. The last time I forgot to address this. This is Chandler, my cue for the garage door opener. You can open and close your garage with the app. Here's the app, right? Open. There you go. That was the door that, you know, triggers the light. The other door too. There you go. So I can open this from anywhere. Like if somebody needs to get in and I'm not home, I can open this from my phone, and every time I get a notification, see? See, every time you get a notification when the door open or close. So if anybody try to open, the triggers a message on my phone, which is great. Also, this one here has a battery on. Like let's say the power goes off on my house, then I have like a 5 hours battery for each one, which I can open really slow, and it's on battery. But it still works, and it works perfect, so I love it. I highly recommend those though. I think I pay 180 bucks for each one, but they are a game changer. They're quiet and they do everything. Here's the controls. I put the controls inside of the garage, so if I close, look how quiet it is. See, and if you want to stop in the middle, you can, and just go back. I really need it because my other garage door openers, they were just garbage. They were probably installed with the house, which the house is from 1997, which is not that old, but still, you know what I'm saying, the garage door openers doesn't last that much. Lights, you guys asked me about lights. Those are from Obsessed Garage lights. So I have 4 here, 4 there, 4 there, and 4 there. So it's plenty of lights to do anything you need as far as detailing, mechanical work, anything. The goal that I'm trying to achieve with my garage, it's always being functional and be on budget. So I think I'm kind of accomplished this. I still have stuff that I need to get on it, like, you know, get maybe more bottles. I need a new blower, the foam cannon stuff, maybe more cabinets, and definitely more tools. That's probably my next thing, is getting more tools, because tools are essential when you try to do anything by yourself, right? So I hope you guys enjoy this little tour of my garage. I think I need to give you guys an update, because I have been adding stuff, and you know, I just want to keep it up, and you guys keep asking questions. So I will leave links for everything that I put in here that you can find online below, so you can buy yours if you wanna. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Never forget, enjoy life and work hard for it.